Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaina Malik and today I'm back with another video. So for today's video, we are spending a bit of family time. I'm going with my mom and two of my brothers. We're gonna go to the mall, shop a bit, and yeah, I'll show you guys whatever we do and wherever we go. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, as it would mean a lot. And let's get right into the video. Hi guys. Guys, where are we? What store is this? No, what store are we in?
JC Jackson, I think.
Why are you in the store? You don't know what store.
With my women undecided. Call me to your baby.
This yellow color.
I want it.
You like yellow, dude? Yellow's ugly.
Yellow's the best color. It's a suit.
I know, that's a purple one. You like purple? Are you even gonna wear suits?
If I had to, I'd rather wear a dress shirt. I mean, honestly. Actually, unless it's draft night, so. Oh yeah. And I'm not going to the NBA, so.
We are on an escalator right now in this empty mall. How come there's no one here?
I don't know.
Like, never.
Call me to your baby. I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women undecided. Call me to your baby. I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing.
We're basically in this shoe aisle. Because fall camp. But pehne nahi तुम?
Let me get this pill, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. But let's get naughty, yeah, I need all, yeah.
We just stopped here because that fatty has to eat whenever we go out.
So we
got this. No, it's true. Isn't it fact, son?
Yeah.
Is it good, Venom? Are you gonna finish all that?
Maybe. I don't know if I am. Probably not.
Can you speak a bit louder, mister? How's your food? Want to give us an interview, please? An interview? Are you too busy finishing this? Are you gonna finish all that? Hello, mister? Give us an ASMR. Why not?
They heard you say all that. Oh, pop it up. Finish cutting it? Or are you gonna pop that up too? I'm not gonna embarrass myself. I'm only gonna embarrass you guys.
So now we're basically going home. How was the day on? Good day? How was the day on me? कैसा था दिन? How about you? It was good.
How about you? Any words?
How was the day? Good. Right there.
Let me get this pill, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. But let's get naughty.
It's raining and now we're waiting for our GO train to come. It's gonna come in about 20 minutes. So that's what we are doing right now. Sweet. He's overreacting. What did Owen do?
What did you do? I hit my head.
You can't even talk. Mister, can you give us an interview, please? You're famous. We need to know. All fans are waiting for you to comment.
That's pretty corny.
Please. How old are you? Tell the audience how old you are.
out of it.
No, you're not, dude. No, you're not. Look at the GO train. Bye.
First things first, let me get that.
Why?
That's my umbrella. What?
Why is it wet?
Because we use it in the rain, Smarty.
not
Why else would
raining,
it be
though.
wet? Because this is Canada and it has like bipolar weather. That's what it means.
I thought polar bears.
Are you tired?
First things first, let me get that introduction.
So I just made it from the mall with my family. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I didn't get much. I just got 2 things. But I still wanted to show you guys what I got. I got this cute little, these anklets from H&M. I thought they were cute. And I also got these really cute earrings. Aren't they cute? They have like a face on them. So yeah, I got these. Should I wear them? Let me wear them and show you guys. Okay, so these are how these earrings look. Aren't they cute? I think they're pretty cute. I am liking the vibe. This will be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, as it would mean a lot. And if you guys are really bored, make sure or do check out my previous videos that I have posted. Yeah, other than that, see you later in my next video.